Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make the best fettuccine alfredo. But before we get started, I want to thank Amazon Alexa for sponsoring this video. Make sure you visit Amazon.com to learn more about Alexa enabled devices. Now let's get started with our ingredients. Alright guys, so this is my Echo Show 8. In case you don't know what Alexa is a voice service in the cloud you activate through an Alexa enabled device. Alexa has many features, but my favorite one is the shopping list feature. It makes it super easy and convenient for me to shop my ingredients at my local retail store while obtaining my ingredient list on my mobile device. Alexa, add salt and black pepper to my fettuccine alfredo shopping list.
I have added salt and black pepper to your fettuccine alfredo list.
Now when I go to the store, I have all the items I added to my shopping list here in my Alexa app. Alexa, open my fettuccine alfredo shopping list.
You have 11 items on your fettuccine alfredo list. Black pepper, salt, Italian seasoning, Parmesan cheese, fresh parsley, butter, cream cheese, heavy whipping cream, garlic cloves, chicken breast, fettuccine pasta.
Alrighty guys, so these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright guys, so for this recipe you can use chicken breast, shrimp, or broccoli. So we're going to start by drizzling some olive oil on top of our chicken breast. We're going to season it with salt and black pepper. And just make sure that both sides are fully coated. Alright guys, so now we're going to cook our chicken. So we're going to set our griddle on medium heat. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of butter and 2 garlic cloves minced. So we're just going to wait for the butter to melt and just mix it with the garlic. Alright, so once our butter has melted, we're going to place our chicken breast. And now we're going to cook for about 6 to 8 minutes on each side. Alexa, set timer for 8 minutes.
8 minutes. Starting now.
Alright guys, so while we wait for our chicken to finish cooking, we're going to bring a large pot of water to a boil. Alright guys, so once your water comes to a boil, we're going to add a good amount of salt. We're going to throw in our pasta, and we're just going to cook it according to the directions in the package. Alright guys, so once our chicken is fully cooked, we're going to remove it from the heat, place it in a small bowl, cover it with foil, and let it sit. Alright guys, so once our pasta is done, we're going to reserve half a cup of our pasta water, and now we're just going to drain our pasta. Alright, so once we have our pasta ready, now we're ready to make our Alfredo sauce. Alright guys, so to make our Alfredo sauce, we're going to grab a small pan, we're going to set it on medium heat, and we're going to melt 8 tablespoons of butter. Alright, so once our butter is almost melted all the way, we're going to add 3 garlic cloves minced. So just mix it, and we're going to cook that for 2 minutes. Alright, so to our butter and garlic, we're going to add 4 ounces of cream cheese. And we're just going to break it down and mix it with our butter. Just make sure that your cream cheese is at room temperature. Alright, so to our mixture, we're going to add 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Just whip it as you go. Our pasta water. So just keep mixing it. Alright, so once you no longer see your cream cheese, we're going to add a half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, salt, and black pepper. So now we're just going to bring this to a simmer. Alright guys, so once we have our sauce into a low simmer, we're going to add 1.5 cups of shredded Parmesan cheese. Now we're just going to mix it all together until our cheese has melted and our sauce has thickened. Alright guys, so after a couple minutes, our Alfredo sauce should be done. So now turn it off, try it for salt and see if it needs any. For me, this is perfect, so I'm gonna leave it as it is. And now we're ready to put everything together. Alright, so we're going to cut our chicken into small strips. And of course, it depends on however you wanna cut it. And look how juicy your chicken is. See that? Seriously? Alright, so I'm just going to mix my fettuccine pasta with my Alfredo sauce. Of course, it all depends on how you want to serve it. So just kind of mix it in there. Get the pasta all wet. And I'm going to place my chicken on top of my fettuccine Alfredo. Okay, and to that I'm going to add some broccoli. It's already cooked broccoli. So I'm just going to add it in the mix. Okay, so I added a little bit of broccoli, and now we're going to add a 1/4 cup of fresh parsley. And now we are ready to enjoy our delicious fettuccine Alfredo. Alright guys, and now for the fun part, serving. I'm just going to grab my fettuccine Alfredo. Not a good amount. And so I'm just going to grab my chicken and place it on top. And of course you can add some more parsley, or serve it with your garlic bread. But we are ready to enjoy our easy and delicious fettuccine Alfredo. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Get Alexa to play your favorite music, get romantic, and enjoy. So I got a piece of chicken there. Trying to take a bite of everything. But this is one of my kids' favorite. So everybody enjoys it. Enjoy. Seriously, the best. So good. The chicken is so juicy, so flavorful. The Alfredo sauce, so good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make the best fettuccine Alfredo. I hope you guys had enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. And once again, I want to thank Amazon Alexa for sponsoring this video. I'll see you guys on the next one.
Thank you.